Hi, how's everybody doing today? My name is Nathan Erminio. I'm standing outside of the beautiful Liberty Ford of Aurora, and I wanted to give you a good look at a one of three 2019 Ford Rangers currently in the state of Ohio. What makes this Ranger one of three is not only the fact that it is a 2019 Lariat trim level Ford Ranger, but that it also has a DSI Upfit, allowing for this truck to stand out amongst the rest. You are not going to see another Ford Ranger driving through town looking like this one here. The reason you get this nice look is because DSI has put a spacer kit on this truck, allowing for you to put 20-inch rims with a 265 tire or a 29.5-inch tall tire. Now you've got a much more aggressive look from the factory because this truck is sitting 3 inches higher off the ground. You've got brand new Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on brand new black fuel 20-inch rims. This does also have the FX4 package on it from the factory, which is going to give you off-road skid plates underneath the truck. Both packages combined give you one aggressive Ford Ranger for both on and off the road. Being a Lariat trim level, you're going to have black leather interior here. They are heated seats, touchscreen radio, navigation, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, all kinds of technology, all kinds of safety. Upgraded audio system. This is a fully loaded 2019 Lariat trim level Ford Ranger, again with the DSI Upfit kit. Everything they've done to modify this truck has kept all factory drive axles at the factory specs. This is a drop kit, so it's a ready lift kit, not altering the factory suspension whatsoever, but putting a spacer kit in, allowing more room for the bigger rims and tires. This kit does also come with a guarantee from DSI that if any work they did to this truck would alter any warranted manufacturer part, they will pick up any warranty coverages that may not apply. So there is no fault to you on this particular vehicle. You now just have a one of three in the state of Ohio DSI custom built 2019 Lariat Ford Ranger FX4. We are here at Liberty Ford of Aurora. My name is Nathan. If you have any questions, stop in or give us a call. Thank you very much.